Okay, you got your seat removed, you're now lying in the footwell. Hopefully it's not as cold as it is for me. Middle of winter, late at night. The usual great conditions working on a car. But anyway, this is basically the rear of the servo. Under here, once you remove the grey cover, this is where your seal sits. It is quite fiddly to do this job, but your starting point is actually going to be finding your brake pedal and where that clips onto the end of the servo, connection rod, whatever you want to call it. Basically you're going to need to remove this little silver clip here. Basically get a little screwdriver under that, push it that way, and it should slip off. Really easy to do. I don't know if you can see it from the side. There you go. So lift that, push. This rod will then just push that way and flip off brake pedal. It gives you a bit more space to move in. Now the next thing you want to do is disconnect. This is the steering. 13mm spanner onto this. If you've got a little ratchet, it's perfect. Undo this. You don't need to brace this end because it's self-bracing. Remove that, and then this thing here then lifts up or down depending on how far you had the steering wheel turned, but that will then disconnect and it will give you slightly better access for what is a pretty nasty little job, but it will save you lots of money and a hell of a lot of time. It's worth it. It's worth the pain. So yeah, once you've got your brake pedal disconnected and your steering disconnected, I'd suggest just cutting off this around the edge here. Just give you slightly better access. I used a pair of wire strippers, what sort of wire cutting, I don't know what you call it. Anyway, you use something to cut this. It's for cutting wires, not the strippers, but the other thing, you know, for just wire cutters, I guess. Or you could use like secateurs, something like that. That's leather, it's foam. Just put away the foam, gives you a better working area. Basically, you then do what I'm going to show you in the next video. I'll show you on that one in the house because it's a lot easier. And then you just reconnect everything that we've talked about disconnecting. Make sure you connect your seat back in, all the plugs and everything, before you reconnect your battery. See you on the other side.